with Mama
Hi.
and
Thank
Mommy,
you.
of course. Hey Lala, say hi.
Hi.
Where's the boy?
Eating popcorn. Say hi to
Boy.
Daddy.
Hola.
Yeah. Hi everyone! So, anniversary weekend namin ni VJ and we thought of going to, wait, hold on. Tinatawag ako. So, as I was saying, tinawag ako ni VJ para lang sabihin sa akin kung paano, or para tanungin sa akin kung paano ba gamitin yung body scrub tsaka yung oil. So, anyway, obviously, he really enjoyed his bath as much as I did. At naalala ko dati, every time I get asked na, since you became a mom, kailan mo ba huling na-enjoy yung napakahabang pagligo? Ako, honestly, masasabi ko na yung ligo ko dun kanina was truly the best bath of my life. As in kapag tinanong ako, maybe that's the first ever thing that will come to mind. So, I'm glad I got to enjoy that even for just a few minutes, diba? So, there, we're here and we wanted to celebrate our weekend here. Oh no, what happened? What did you eat? And you, other one, ate, what did you eat?
Chocolate.
Why? You guys are gonna be so hyper. So where are we going?
What are we gonna do is we're gonna go out
We can go out with
and we are going to look for
snakes.
what else?
Snakes? What else?
You mean animals and things?
What are you gonna do? Be
Jump.
careful there, please.
Jump, 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 jump.
Careful, please.
Jump.
Two little monkeys jumping in the bed. One fell off and broke her head. Mother, doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Good job, ate. Let's go. It's
Eating time.
eating time.
Dig it.
What?
Eating time.
See, a time. Eating time. Okay, let's eat. Dinner time.
Huwag na lang. Baka saan sa
Oy,
pagkarating
mommy,
mga
your
kamay nila.
pako. Pako
Hindi,
ba
may
to?
concentrate
Fern
sa
sana.
kanila.
May pako. It's eating time.
Tara, tara. Tara, tara.
Nathan, kuya, let's
Malinis
go.
Dati anong gagawin mo?
Are you hungry?
Hindi ka kain?
Eat. It's just normal. It's nothing special, said Nala. Nala is not grateful. Okay. Good morning. The kids are still asleep. VJ's at the gym. Ako naman ay enjoying the outdoor pool. It's a warm, heated pool. While baby bear is also awake. And probably we'll just have coffee while waiting for Kuya Nathan and Nolan to wake up. Still sleeping. Kuya and Nolan. They're still sleeping. Good morning, my boy. Did Ate wake you up? Yes? Aw, give Ate a hug. Good morning. Kiss Ate. Nolan. Kiss Ate. Give Ate a good morning kiss. Happy? Happy?
Hi guys, so kita mo pawis. So we're gonna go to have breakfast.
We're having breakfast here. Let's go, Nolan. Keep walking. Let's go. Wow. What do we see? Let's look.
Mommy, look at that.
Hi, Peacock. Hi, Peacock. Ang laki. Nolan, look, oh, it's taller than you. It's taller than you. They're gonna go na. Bye.
Be careful when you run. Go in the water. Go, go, swim, 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 swim. You're swimming now, Nolan.
We'll have my treatment. Takas muna sa mga kids. I just finished my first treatment and it was so good. First time ko to try that and now I think I will be doing that more often. So si VJ muna ang magbabantay sa mga bata. Skinedule namin na I will have 2 hours in the morning while they go swimming. Tapos mamayang hapon siya naman ang magpapatreatment at ako naman sa mga bata. So I'm excited because up next will be facial.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys. See you, Dada. Say hi, Nolan. Hi. Look at your boo-boo. Where's your boo-boo? Show your boo-boo. Show your boo-boo on the camera. Where's your boo-boo? Where's your boo-boo? So, how are you guys?
Good.
Hi, Kuya. Thank you, Kuya, for pulling at. Thank you for pulling Nala. Is she heavy? You okay there, Bear?
We have arrived at the pool. Here you go.
Let me check if the pool is colder.
So nice.
It's okay. Good morning. Hi, Nala. Hi, Nolan. Hi, Kuya. Hi, guys. So, kakatapos lang mag-shower. It's my time naman. Kaninang umaga si Lovey yung nagpa-treatment dito. So, 10 a.m. siya. Ako naman 2 p.m. while I was with the kids kanina. Ako nagbabantay. Nag-swim kami. So, ang hirap kasi. Grabe, Nolan's very likot and very hyper. So, he's too hard to handle. Yun lang. Hyper lang siya. Pero, okay naman siya as a kid.
Hello. Wow, purple bear, look.
Put it here.
Oh, wow.
Moana.
Wow.
Make way.
Hi, pretty Moana.
Hold this one, hold.
Where are we? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, there.
Come on, you guys can walk na.
You have to stay here.
Okay. Hey, babies, where are we? Huh? Surrounded by water. Hey, Kuya. Just walking around before Daddy gets his massage. He was an hour early. So, pasyal muna. Enjoying our afternoon walk here at the farm. Ayan. Sinusulit talaga ang bawat outdoor, bawat nature experience for the kids. Hi! So, since laging nasa bahay, we really wanted to make use of this time na mailabas talaga yung mga bata, fresh air, more outdoor time. Talagang susulitin namin nung trip na to na mailabas sila at makapaglaro all day outdoor. Kasi pag umuwi, bahay na naman. Where are we, guys?
Are we?
Ooh, wow. Zen. That little boy ayaw nang sumakay sa wagon. Yes? That's why he's there with Daddy. Let's go. What are you thinking, little girl? The flower? Okay, then just hold it. Let's go. Ow. Why, Nolan? You don't want to share your wagon to Kuya?
Okay, do it.
Go, Bear. You can do it. Oo, love. Tutulok yan ah. where we were a while ago? We are here at Mama and Dada's room. Wow! Looks nice. Wow! Wow, so big.
Oh, that time. Ah, there.
Ah. Wow, wow, wow.
Good morning, Nolan. Good morning, Mommy. Good morning, Nala. So it's our last day today. And we're gonna go home later. So we're gonna have breakfast lang. We're walking towards the restaurant. So last day. We don't wanna leave yet.
Let's go.
Hi. Who is Nolan? What is it?
Dog.
What?
Quack, quack.
What's the sound of a duck? I don't think you can touch them.
They're having their breakfast. I'll try to touch that. Oops, wait. I think it's asking for food from us. Sorry, we don't have food for you.
What are they gonna eat?
Oh, because it's chocolate. The soil is chocolate. It's brown.
Can I touch it?
I don't think you can touch them.
They're gonna run. Oh, see, it's gonna go away. You're scaring the peacock.
Can I touch the dog?
I don't think so.
Can I touch the big dog?
Taller than you.
A long neck.
What?
A long neck.
Who has a long neck, sweetheart?
There.
This one?
That long neck there, Daddy.
The ants go marching one by one. A coconut fell from the tree.
Yeah.
Oh, it might fall on our heads. That's ouchie. Ow. Look at the flowers, Bear. The yellow flowers. This one's so nice, oh. It's big.
Ants go marching one by one. Hurrah, hurrah. Bear, show your flower. What color is your flower?
Yellow.
Wow, can I see? Thanks, Bear. Hi, everyone. It's our last day here at the farm. And we're gonna go check out the waterfalls. And we're walking, going there.
Waterfalls.
Waterfalls.
So we're gonna go this way, Nala.
It's really lots of greens. Lots and lots of greens. Oh. Wow. Maybe you can have your massage there. Over here. You can relax there. Can I see?
Here.
So this is the gym, which I never got to experience. Maybe next time. So pwede ka mag-gym dyan. But you have to schedule, right, love? You have to schedule para it's all yours. This is the healing sanctuary.
We're swimming.
Is it? Come on, let's check this. Love. Let's check this place. Come on. Say hi, miss. Hello. We're just going around. Say, I'm fine, thank you.
So we went here yesterday. Dito kami nag-swim while waiting for your treatment.
Okay.
Dito kami naglaro-laro.
Tapos?
Siyempre, bawal dito ang maingay because treatment area to. Pero these kids, mahirap silang i-contain. Especially this boy.
Ooh. Wow, look at that. This is their aqua treatment area. So this one. And the very nice view of the mountain. Be
And I think
quiet.
it's Tafiti. Tafiti is swimming right there.
Sana ang sarap! Aww. How sweet. Oh, where are you guys going? So we're going home today. Kaya sinusulit na namin ang pag-explore. Kuya is in the room. He has online classes kasi it's Monday today. Kaya hindi namin siya kasama. And then we're just gonna go for a quick dip in our pool and then head home.
Hi guys! So, dito na kami sa pool. Sa room. So, there's Nolan, Mommy, and Ate Nala. Where's Ate Nala?
Peekaboo!
Wanna show him how you swim?
Yeah, you wanna show them how you swim, Ate?
Go.
Yeah! Good job, my love! I want to go to mommy now. Okay, come on.
Go.
Swim.
Swim towards Mom.
Slowly.
Not bad.
What about this little boy?
That boy can't swim yet.
Not yet. Why, what happened to your face?
Hi, you wanna say hi, Nolan?
Hi!
Hi guys!
Yes.
Guys,
Hi guys!
Hi, guys.
enjoying the warm pool in my villa. Mwah. Wait, they're gonna get ready to jump in the pool. Let's go swimming! Why are you guys so clingy? You don't like the vest? Oh, mommy will remove the vest so Nolan can be comfortable. 1, 2, and throw! Whee! Ate, why don't you show them that you can swim on your own? I have 2 very clingy babies. Is it nap time, guys? Okay. I think it's time for us to leave the pool. But I'm so sad because I want to swim some more.
Okay.
See you later! I'll say bye to them. Bye!